Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at how to switch from desktop to mobile seamlessly on Trim. Do you want to move between Trim's desktop and mobile versions without losing your data or getting confused? Here's how to do it smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into the same Trim account on both your desktop and mobile device. Use the same email and password for login method. Trim automatically synchronizes your data in real time across all devices. That means that any budget you set, subscriptions you cancel, or savings goals you create on your desktop will instantly appear on your mobile app and vice versa. If you're on your desktop and you want to continue on mobile, you just open the Trim app and you will see the same dashboard complete with all your updates. If you're switching from mobile to desktop, just go to the website right there on the screen and log in, and everything will be right where you left it. Pro tip, make sure both platforms are using the latest version of Trim to avoid any synchronizing glitches. And don't worry, Trim uses secure cloud storage, so nothing is stored locally and your activity is protected no matter which device you're on. That's how easy it is to switch between desktop and mobile with Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to update Trim from the App Store or Google Play Store, so stay tuned to that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.